Hey guys, it's another fantastic Tuesday. Probably wondering why I'm making a video on Tuesday. But today I have a very special guest, and it is a secret, so let's see who that special guest is.
Hey guys, it's me again, Diana.
I don't think that's Diana. Let's really find her.
Hey guys, it's me,
So
Diana.
today we will be doing 5 things to do in the pouring down rain, horrible weather. I mean, it's good for the plants, but it's not so good for when we want to go on the trampoline and we just can't. You can put makeup on. You can do funny faces.
You can do charades. You need the person that used to go to the bathroom. A scarecrow, my person.
You got it.
Yay.
Pillow fights. Oh. Yeah. I'm about to fall. Ow, my head. Fifth one, watch TV.
Did you see that guy fall? Oh my goodness, that was so hilarious.
Funny.
Oh my god, look.
Oh wow,
Oh, wow,
that's
that's
cheesy.
just cute.
Cheesy. So that was our video, and we hope you enjoyed. Give this video a big old thumbs up also if you would like Diana to be in more videos. Julianne and Diana out. Ugh! Ow! You made me fall. That hurt. Ow. This is why we can't play outside on the trampoline.